Okay, here I am telling you about my favorite type of volcano, and if I was a volcano, what type I would be. Here I have the Caldera volcano. This is the one I like the most, find the most intriguing. I like this one because of the indentation that is created by the eruption of the volcano. And that is actually what the caldera is. It's just a giant impression left after a volcano explodes. Calderas are volcanic craters formed by that major eruption, like I mentioned, leading to the collapse of the mouth of the volcano, making this. And in the magma chamber below the volcano, it's still going to be venting here, and this is sort of what creates the extra new cones inside the caldera. And what's cool with this is that sometimes these calderas fill up with water, making lakes, and that's sort of where I have my example. Mount Mazama and Crater Lake, located in Oregon, is a great example of a caldera volcano. This volcano erupted and left a caldera or a volcanic crater, and that is actually eventually what filled up with water, sort of like what you see here. And then there's one of those cones that formed in the middle of the caldera. There's a couple of other pictures here for it too. And then another cool fact about Crater Lake is that it is actually the 7th deepest ocean in the world. There's another reason why I like caldera volcanoes so much. It's because, I don't know, I find this really interesting. A volcano erupts, leaves a volcanic crater impression, and the best example we have is Crater Lake, filled up with water, and we have that cone in the middle. Perfect example.